Route 2A, inbound from the Plymouth Road parking ride to Plymouth Mall. This is the inbound 2A from the Plymouth Road parking ride to Plymouth Mall. From the stand, we want to make a right turn out of the parking lot and then an immediate left onto Plymouth Road. Making our left turn onto Plymouth Road. At the stoplight, it's Green Road. We will make a right turn. Immediately after right turn, there is a stop approaching. Continuing on Green Road, stop approaching. Stop approaching services our post office. Please remember to adhere to all Ann Arbor crosswalk rules. Whenever a pedestrian is in a marked crosswalk, please yield the right of way to said pedestrian. Stop approaching. Stop approaching as we continue on Green Road. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching the Blue Line bus shelter to the right. Continuing on Green Road. Stop approaching to the right. Blue Line bus shelter. As we approach the stop sign, we're going to make a left turn onto Nixon Road. This is a time point. Making our left onto Nixon Road. Stop approaching. Clegg Middle School is to our left. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Parkway Meadows is to the right. Very popular for our senior passengers. Stop approaching to the right. Blue striped bus shelter. As we approach the roundabout, we want to go through the roundabout but continue straight on Nixon Road. As we approach the stop at Plymouth Mall, this ends the inbound 2A from the Plymouth Road Park and Ride to Plymouth Mall.